How to reset audio on Samsung Smart TV. First of all, press the home button on your Samsung TV controller, then press left going all the way along until you get to settings. There you can press the middle OK button. Now you'll want to go ahead and scroll down to sound, then go into the sound section, then click on expert settings. In expert settings, if you go to the bottom, you should see a button where it says reset sound. Go ahead and click on that, then click on reset. Then it will say the sound settings have been reset. That means you can go ahead into the other sound settings and then be able to change it to how you wish from the factory default settings with the sounds. You can go ahead and do that within the sound section there, like so. You can go into different sound modes, different sound outputs, etc. And you can change all the settings within here to get it to as you wish. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.